That is the light you want right there. Look at that. Already got the Victoper rechargeable LED headlamp. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. It is multifunctional and bright, and I'll test this in the dark and we'll get some video. But let me show you what it comes with. It comes packaged in a nice box right here. It comes with a set of instructions. It comes with a headlamp, another headlamp, a USB cable, another USB cable, a strap, and another strap. This is a rechargeable device. And the way you recharge it is you take the back off of here. I suggest put my hand over it and turning it like that. You can see on the back here that it has a USB Type-C charging port on the back to go with the cable. It'll be red while it's charging, and when it's fully charged, it'll turn green, which is good to know. It has a magnet on the back. It'll actually magnetize to something. And it also has a hook on the back, so you can use it as like a camping lantern if you wanted to. So we saw that the back comes off of this. This little piece right here on the front also comes off. It's basically a lampshade to soften the light. Two different switches on the front and two different lights. One is this main light you see in the center right here, and the other is the light on the outer ring, which is kind of cool. And each of these switches controls that. So we can see this is the outer ring light. If you press it once, you get a strong light. Twice, you get a weaker light. Third time, you get a red light. And the fourth time, you get a red blinking light. And then it turns off. Remember, if it's blinking, the next stop is off. On the other side here, we have a strong white light, we have a weaker light, and we have a flashing light, and the next stop is off. And you can also use these both at the same time if you want. You can get the directional light and then the ring light around it. And when the lampshade's on, obviously it functions the same way, just the light is a little softer. So the strap, it's elastic and it's adjustable as well. And I've seen it used two different ways. Basically, you just put one side in here, bend it down, put the other side in. I've seen people put it with the strap in front, so the strap rests on your forehead. Or you can put it through this way, which is what I prefer to do. This is adjustable. 3 clicks, you don't want to go any more than 3 clicks. It's pretty stiff, so it's definitely not going to move from whatever position you have it in. I think that's pretty awesome. And what I've done with the strap on this side is I've actually run it through this hat clip right here. This is also a hat clip. You can clip it onto the bill of your hat. It's not going anywhere. When you got it on this way, it'll move a little bit, and you may want that option. I prefer to have it tight on here. All right, let's test this thing out in the dark. This is the ring light right here. And get it into the soft mode. The red mode is hard, to really not doing much here. Red flashing, not much. Let's go into the main light right here. That is the light you want right there. Look at that. Shooting all the way across the yard. So this is my entire townhouse backyard right here. That's a bright light. And there's the softer version of it right there. And there's the flashing. That is a pretty good light right there. Let me put that on again. Bam. So that's totally great for walking. And if you put on the other light, you get a little coverage around it too. So I got both of them going right now. Pretty awesome.